hit me with the coconut spray. That shit do be hard. You said what? Y'all so weird. Y'all so weird. Y'all so weird.
Damn, son.
Good, you really took your time to do this though. Like that ass. Shout out to you though. Bullshit. Pre-wedding ring? Wait, should we read it together or should we? It seems like it's Sharpie. Alright, we're just gonna do it together. 1. Nah, weird as fuck, gang. Dead ass. No funny shit. You spent 30 minutes to set that whole shit up.